Every time you open a new AI chat, you start from scratch. You spend the first 10 minutes repeating your specific business goals, explaining client details, and reestablishing context, only for the AI to forget it all by tomorrow. This blank chat interface is the visual proof of that daily amnesia. Every new session begins with zero knowledge about your active projects. This architecture fixes it. A closed-loop pipeline connects an audio capture tool to a local database, feeding context right back to Claude. This four-step pipeline runs completely free, staying entirely on your local machine to keep proprietary data private. Look at this split-screen comparison. Instead of a generic refusal on the left asking for more information, the connected AI on the right instantly generates a precise, context-aware strategy based on your own notes. Overcoming this memory wipe turns a basic chatbot into a compounding business asset. Here is exactly how to set it up. Step 1 is capturing data. To do this without manual entry, we use OMI as a silent background engine. Navigate to the OMI website and click the download button specific to your operating system to grab the installer. In this settings panel, you need to grant the application 2 permissions. Toggle both microphone access and screen observation to on. Once active, the app quietly logs roughly 3,000 memory points per day in the background. It is highly optimized, so it does this without draining your system battery. We rely on passive capture because building a manual data entry habit takes time, and humans inevitably forget to log details when they get busy. Next, we need a place to store all that captured data. We use Obsidian, a free, secure text database, to act as the AI's long-term memory drive. Here in the Obsidian setup window, click Create New Vault. Name it Infinite Memory, and choose a secure local folder on your hard drive to finalize it. This sidebar shows the next vital step, creating a rigid structure. Set up numbered folders to cleanly categorize distinct parts of your business, like projects, areas, and resources. Isolating project data in these distinct folders ensures the AI never mixes up different client guidelines. A highly organized vault is the safeguard. It prevents the AI from hitting context overload, allowing it to parse exactly which client you are working with. Now we bridge our background tracker directly into that new database, so you never have to manually transfer files. Looking back at the OMI export settings, select the Markdown format. Paste your exact Obsidian vault path as the destination, and flip the auto-sync toggle to on. The app will now compile your daily activities and generate one highly detailed Markdown file automatically, saving it right into your Obsidian vault. This digital handshake eliminates the friction. The system completely automates the capture phase, writing its own daily memory files while you focus on work. With the memory bank collecting data, we shift to Claude. Claude has the unique ability to read local directories directly from your computer. In the Claude interface, click the Add Context button. Select the Local Directory option and navigate to your Infinite Memory Vault holder. Click Allow Access. Claude can now read your raw files dynamically, eliminating the need to copy and paste context into a prompt box. Establishing direct directory access shifts the interaction. You stop prompting a blank slate and start collaborating with an entity that actively monitors your files. This text file shows how to organize those memories. By adding standard hashtags, like #GoldieAgency, you cross-link specific client details across different calendar days. In Obsidian's graph view, those tags visualize your data. They create a web of connected ideas, allowing the AI to instantly traverse between related concepts you may have forgotten. Notice Claude's response here. Once a working session is done, you can command Claude to summarize your chat and export those notes directly back to your local directory. This is the complete feedback loop. Your raw daily data trains the AI, and the AI actively organizes and summarizes that data back into the vault. As shown in this search interface, you can now retrieve granular decisions from weeks in the past, feeding exact keyword results right to Claude. Compare this frictionless recall to the standard routine of digging through nested cloud folders and piecing together old meeting minutes by hand. This final layout shows the complete pipeline running in harmony. The OMI app captures the raw data, Obsidian stores and maps the connections, and Claude delivers highly specific, actionable answers. With this localized loop running on your machine, your AI starts every single morning already knowing your exact business goals.